Good day, grade 8 students. I am Teacher Yoli, your Science Aid teacher. For today's lesson, you will explain physical changes in terms of the arrangement and motions of atoms and molecules. Many of the daily physical changes in our surroundings are the change in the physical state of matter. The freezing of water, the melting of ice, the formation of clouds, fog and dew are all examples of physical changes. Question is, why do physical changes occur? What causes physical changes? There are different types of phase change.
When a solid gets warm enough, it melts. To explain what's happening, imagine you can see how the particles in a solid are arranged. They're in a fixed framework, vibrating but not straying far from their main position. When energy is supplied, the particles vibrate more violently and become free to move. The solid changes into a liquid.
The video clip shows that when solid ice absorbs heat, its particles vibrate faster, break away from its fixed position until they are free to move. When that happens, melting occurs.
Energy is also needed to change a liquid to a gas. So, what's happening to the particles this time? In a liquid, the particles are free to move around. Heating causes them to move around more quickly. Those which have enough energy escape from the liquid, forming a gas. This is evaporation.
Evaporation is a phase change from liquid to a gas on the surface of a liquid. Occurs at all temperature. Molecules speed up, move farther apart, and absorb heat energy.
Topic: sublimation. Why do mothballs disappear over time? Wow, you have a nice collection of clothes. But have you kept mothballs to protect them?
Yeah. I'd kept them a few months back below these clothes. Hey, where did the mothballs go? I placed them right here. Did you steal them?
No, I haven't stolen anything. Mothballs disappear over time. Do you know why? It is because of a process called sublimation. During sublimation, a solid on heating converts directly into vapor without passing through the intermediate liquid state.
Don't lie. How is that even possible? See, I also hid a burger here many days ago. It did not disappear.
Ooh, gross. Just throw that burger in the dustbin. Not all substances sublimate. Mothballs are made up of naphthalene. Naphthalene has very weak intermolecular forces. Because of these weak forces, the mothball, which is made up of naphthalene sublimates, That is, it changes its state from solid to vapor. Now, this vapor is either absorbed by the fabric or it escapes into the atmosphere, causing the mothballs to disappear over time.
Sublimation, phase change from solid to gas. Molecules speed up, move farther apart, and absorb heat energy.
Have you seen dewdrops on a leaf on a cold morning? Have you wondered how dewdrops are formed? Observe this activity and you will be able to understand dewdrops. We need ice, water, and a glass. Put some ice and water into a clean, dry glass. Now let the glass rest for some time. You will soon see a misty layer of water on the outer surface of the glass. Now wait a little while longer and observe. Small droplets of water coalesce and run down the surface of the glass. The water droplets are formed when water vapor in the air cools and changes into water when it meets the cold surface of the glass. This process of changing from the gaseous state to the liquid state is called condensation. It is the opposite process of evaporation.
Condensation, phase change from gas to liquid. Molecules slow down, move closer together, and release heat energy.
So why does water turn into ice?
When water freezes, it passes from the liquid to the solid state. As a liquid, water molecules are in constant motion, bumping and jostling each other and never staying in one place for long. When water freezes, the molecules slow and settle into place, lining up in regular formations you see as crystals.
Freezing, phase change from liquid to solid. Molecules slow down, move closer together, and release heat energy. Deposition happens when water vapor forms into crystal-like droplets because of colder air temperature. Label each arrow D, E, F, G in Model 1 with the appropriate phase change. You can pause the video for you to have more time in answering the activity. You did great today! Always remember to keep safe and be healthy. Goodbye!